DoReMi Garage Door Spring Commerce City CO service may come out and perform a repair for a fair price. It is possible to phone us and we'll send someone out quickly that may look at your garage door and replace parts into it right away at all. If we need to special order parts for it, then it will be done quickly and you'll be at liberty together with the turnaround time. We are able to fix something that is wrong with a garage door, from track problems to spring replacements. Give us a call today so we may help you out even if the issues are challenging to care for.